Good morning, YouTube. Got another episode of Dad Tips. So today we're going to talk about cleaning out drains that are clogged up with hair. I've got a beautiful wife and two beautiful daughters that all three of them have long, luscious locks. And what happens to that hair? It goes down the drain, clogs it up, and you end up with a bathtub that doesn't drain. So what is a person to do? Well, first you got to take off the drain cap and then run a tool down there to pull the hair out, and that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so my favorite way to do this, I've got this tool. I got this one on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. But basically, after you get the drain cap out, you just shove this thing down the drain. It's got all these little hooks on it, and you pull it back out, snags all the hair and gets it out. Then your drain's gonna drain. Works great. So you got your typical drain cap here. This one, sometimes it'll spin off without tools, but other times you end up needing to use some tools to get the two pieces apart so you can get it out. So I've got a big pair of pliers, got a second pair of pliers, and I'm just gonna turn it. Normal lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, so that top piece pulls out, and you got the lower piece, and it's kind of got a square down in there. And if you're lucky, you can get it to spin out, but sometimes you can grab a hold of it. All right, so I was able to grab a hold of it and get it to spin out. Other times I've had to jam a screwdriver in there, just a flat blade screwdriver. You can stick in there and turn it, and it'll pull that piece out. Because the idea is to get this threaded piece out at the bottom. All right, so once we got that out, got the three pieces out of there. You can see down in there, there's a lot of nasty hair down in there. So we're just gonna run this tool down. Stick it in there, and it hooks right onto all that hair. Start pulling it out. If it comes loose, just stick it in there again. Get another handful. Just keep pulling out the hair until you get it all out. See, this only takes a few minutes to do, so it's really worth it instead of trying to use some kind of noxious chemicals to get the hair out of there. And then you're gonna have a drain that'll drain properly the way it should. I got some more stuck down in there. I think that's all of it. I'm going to run the tool down a little bit deeper just to make sure if there's any more down in the drain. Got another little chunk. Got some more. There's some hair that gets way down in there, and it's kind of hard to get at, but that's where this nice flexible tool really helps out. All right, I think that's about it. So I'm going to turn on the tub, make sure it drains really well. It's still acting a little slow. There's some more hair. I don't see any more down in there though. Run the tool way down in there this time. Nope, didn't pull anything out. I guess that's about it. Okay, so let's just reassemble our drain. That's all I'm gonna do. Put the piece through the other piece. Screw it in, just hand tight. I don't want to screw it in real tight, so the next time I need to do this, hopefully I don't need tools. Then I'm just going to screw the other cap in. Now my drain works. And I'm good to go. And that is how we clean out the hair out of the drain. Pretty gross, but the tool works great.